Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your Xbox One S controller to your Xbox One S. So in order to do this, we'll need to have the controller unplugged. Now let's enable it by pressing on this button right here. So now it's enabled, and from here we'll need to get to our console, find the USB and USB-C cable. Here's the plug on the controller, and plug it other side to the console. Now let's try connecting our pad to this console. Your controller will vibrate, and now it should be plugged in. We can move to the settings and then find device and connection, move to accessories, and here you should find your controller. Now let's unplug it. From here, hold the Xbox button as well. Hold it until it changes to the blinking mode, and it should be connected again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.